So the pan control function is one of the unique features of the KontrolFreak cooktop. The through the glass sensor touches the pan directly and allows for very exact temperatures. So to demonstrate the power of pan control and the through the glass sensor, we're gonna make a French omelet, no stirring, and it will not brown. So I have my butter, I've got my cooker set to 225 degrees, and I'm just gonna melt the butter. Going to add our eggs. And I'm just gonna stir them until they're starting to curd. That's plenty. I'm gonna put a lid on it and set a 2-minute timer. All right, so our timer is going off after 2 minutes. So basically what we have here is a sheet of perfectly cooked egg. Because of the power of pan control, I've cooked my eggs exactly to the temperature that I want, and I'm just going to roll my omelet up. This is where you could add toppings if you had any that you wanted, and steam it for another minute, and we're just gonna turn it onto a plate. An omelet demonstrates the need for precise temperature control in a pan, the ability to control your pan to a single degree. There it is.